guys, and welcome back to my video. Today we are going to be doing a taste test from Candy Club's candy. This is the
Fun box.
This is a fun box. It has 6 ounces of candy cups inside. This is the smallest box. This one costs $30 a month. And there's also a party box that costs $44.99 a month. And that one has 13 ounces of candy cups. But this one is for the month of June. For the month of June. And this one I put more, I want more sour than anything. Okay, so this at the top it says Live Sweetly, and it has a bunch of like little candies around it. But this is what it looks like inside the box. So you get 6 little jars of candy. All of them are different and they are 7 ounces. So we're gonna go through here and one by one we're gonna pull them out and we're going to taste test some for you guys and see if this box is worth $30. Okay. So we are going to start with this one. Oh, this one is Rainbow Blocks. It says sweet tart rainbow bricks filled with sweet vanilla cream.
It looks like toffee.
There's cream inside of that. Okay. So, sweetly sealed for you. So that's cute.
Sweetly sealed foods. That's cute.
Okay, and all of them should have this little seal thing to guarantee their freshness.
Kind of remind me of those. You remember
Airheads.
the no, the Candy Crush candies?
Hey guys, so these ones taste a lot like the Airhead ones, like these. And these you can usually get at Walmart for like $1. But they're good. Next. Grab them.
This one says blueberry sour laces. Oh. Sorry for the glare. We have very minimal light.
Good job, Bob.
My big hand ass. Okay. You go first.
So these ones look like the spaghetti.
Whoa. Go.
Alright, so these are
I
way.
want that much. Sorry. No. How did you pick?
Okay, so this one is a mess. This one's a lot sour than the first one. How we tried. And all of these have different ounces on it. This one says 7 ounces. This one says 5 ounces. These ones taste just like these ones, which you can also get at Walmart for about $1. Next, I want to try these. These are bubblegum bottles. It says sweet and mellow bubblegum gummies topped in mouth puckering sour sugar. This one says 8 ounces on it. Oh, that smells like straight bubblegum. So that's what it looks like. It's like a little bottle.
Why does it taste like that?
Oh, these don't taste like bubblegum at all. Okay, out of the ones that we've just tried, I think the sour straws were the best. These are not very good at all. They're a little sour though. Oops.
Okay, so the next one we're gonna be trying is the pineapple rings, and it says I can't see them. It's 6 ounces.
What does it say at the bottom?
Where? Oh, bright tropical pineapple, refreshing in every chewy bite. Pineapple.
Like we looked earlier and all the sour's going in it.
Really? You really wanted to try that one, huh?
Yeah, they look like picturing.
Well,
It does taste like pineapple. Those are good. I like those ones. Next, I want to try.
that's the last one.
No, this one. This.
Mhm.
How many ounces was in that?
We tried that one first, didn't we?
No, we tried those little rainbows. This one had 6 ounces
I
in
said
it.
that.
Oh, that one had 6. This one is watermelon slices, plump, juicy gummies bursting with bold watermelon flavor. And this one has 7 ounces inside. So after this, we have one more. This one didn't come with a seal.
Uh-oh.
We hadn't opened this one. It didn't come with one.
Oh, shit. You think the postal office people?
Yeah, they went in and ate one.
These taste like the ones that Mom gave me the other day.
Yeah. If you wanted these watermelon slice ones, those taste exactly like the Target brand ones that look like this. Let's see. Okay, we have one more left.
Okay. This one is called Green Apple Sour Belts. It says ribbons of bold green apple flavor with a sour sugar coating. Net weight is 5 ounces. This one didn't either.
It didn't have the. Well, see how safe that is.
We have proof.
Yeah, got on tape. They're sour. I think this is
I
sour
still say the-
out of this.
I
No,
still
I
say the
think
blue
the blue-
raspberries are the best.
And then these little sour apple ones taste just like the sour belt. So out of all of them, which one did you like the least?
The baby bottles.
Yeah, the big bottles did not taste like, what's it called, bubble gum at all. Which one's the best?
The blue raspberry ropes.
Okay, guys, if you did want to buy this box, I'm gonna link I'm going to link it down below, and you can choose whether you want sweet or
Sour.
And you get it fairly quick. It takes like 3 to 5 days to get or to come, depending on when you buy it. But each month is supposed to be different. So this was the month of June. And that was a sour box. I would not recommend this box because half the stuff in here you can buy fairly cheaply, and $30 for candy.
And more.
Yeah. $30 for candy is a lot of money. But thank you for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.